What's going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video I got a Pontiac G8. The material that I'm working with here is by Inozetek. I never use Inozetek, so this would be a good video to make to show you guys what is it like working with Inozetek. I'm gonna make this video as honest as possible. I don't want to BS, I don't want to cap. I just want to give you guys honest opinion. What is it like working with this material? So to begin, this material is called Inozetek and the color is called Slate Gray or super glossy Slate Gray as they advertise it in their website. And indeed it is very glossy. You can see the reflection of the garage and whatnot. So now how is it working with this? Like if you were to buy this, how is it? Well, let me tell you right now, if you're trying to buy this and work on material such as plastic, polyurethane, or just ABS plastic, like a bumper that you bought from eBay or Amazon that was primered and you just want to wrap over it, it's probably going to be causing you some problems because the adhesion on this vinyl is not quite there yet. Like honestly, just to tell you guys straight off the bat, it is not there. Like honestly, I had issues in some areas, and for example right here, trying to get the wrap stick to this part right here, it's smooth. It would not stick whatsoever. I've been heating up the wrap so much, it just does not want to activate the adhesion. So then I took out 3M 2080, by the way, which is quite interesting. Stuck it right here, heated up, and it stuck really good. I was like, okay, well that's the material 100%. You cannot argue with the glossiness that this vinyl offers. Overall, I'm impressed with this vinyl. I love it. The fact that it's not tacky right off the bat makes it easy to install and prevent the glue lines. The adhesion part could be also because bodywork was done to this car. The previous owner who painted this car fresh in this blue color, it didn't really paint it in a nice ventilated area. So therefore you could see like these little dots and whatnot, like the dust getting stuck between the clear coat. So it made the install a lot harder and a lot more time consuming. But that could also impact probably the adhesion of the vinyl, why the vinyl is not sticking so good. But overall, I'm impressed with this vinyl. There you guys have it, all finished. Let's go around real quick, show you guys what I did. These pieces I've done, by the way, individually and put them back in, and the hood has been done really nice all the way in there. This is not cut. I did not cut around here, so I made everything look proper, but it looks really sick. The color is really nice. Slate Gray by Inozetek. Color is unbelievable. I love the gloss. I really do love this vinyl because of the gloss. Looks really nice. That piece was done separate and put back on. Everything is looking really nice. Show you guys right here. I went in there, all the way in there. Like everything is wrapped. This is beautiful. Here's where you can see the color at its fullest. This is the side where the sun is hitting right now, and this is where you can see the color come to life. It's really nice. It's really, really nice. Very unique color. There you guys go. So yeah, working with this material, it reminded me of one material, and that would be Tech Wrap. For some odd reason, I don't know, the feel for this vinyl reminded me a whole lot about Tech Wrap vinyl. I've done many cars with the Tech Wrap vinyl, so I'm able to tell right off the bat what I'm working with. The gloss is there, the adhesion isn't there, but that could also be, like I said, because of the bodywork that was done to this car. I've done some light sanding here and there. The car wasn't really painted from the other place really well. Yeah, I mean, if you got a brand new car from the dealer and you're trying to wrap it, and you try and get something really glossy, not too expensive, Inozetek should be something you should look into. There was some body work done right here, and the guy who did it is really good. Kudos to that guy. There was a split right here. He did a very good job. Turnaround time within 2 days, which allowed me to wrap this part really nicely. So there's the results. Looks really nice. There she is. There she is. Looking pretty. Yes sir, and I did your these things right here, moldings. Redid them, completely redid them. They were really bad condition. Bro, it's really nice color. No, good pick. Good pick, looks really sick. freaking sick, man. Just gotta go sideways because he's hella low. Yeah, the color is really wild. There she is. Alright, man. Like, subscribe, comment, you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.